What's new?
Not much, just got some stuff done in my place and then just cruised over here. Shannon said he's going to rake up top.
Yeah, he's gonna go. We'll probably be able to see him here for long. He's gonna rake, try to bale. If it don't work, we're gonna go around and square bale it.
Square bale it? Okay.
And we'll get Jimmy and use square baling it. We'll probably do Shannon's first. Square bale that.
Okay.
Get that all done. Might put just one of you on it and put one on the other one. And I was worried about getting out of there with the bale wagon, but I talked to Corey Peterson and he said, oh, he's come out of there with the bale wagon.
No problem.
So,
okay, good.
So if he can make it, Shannon should be able to make it. So I just gonna grease this up. This one's fueled.
Okay.
That one I'll have to go get some more fuel.
Okay.
Gas, but I'm not gonna go around and grease everything. They haven't done enough bales. They've probably both done about 700, 800 bales, and but since I was here goofing around, they're full of twine.
All right, good. That's what I was nasty. I wanted to do that again. Good. Well, I guess I'll do Shannon's. He said there's one small piece, one small field right off of Shields River Road also. So right before you get to the bridge, I remember seeing a little gate down to the left there.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's so easy to forget one. And these nutters, there's a lot of them in there. I think that's all of them. I don't think there's one down in there.
Yeah, there's a lot of gears in that thing. That's complicated. Come on in. Yeah. You can tell. Door shuts all right. Check out what we got here. Instrument cluster. Gotta have a clutch down to start it. Key on. You're not gonna hear anything from this point on. Got a little more of a throttle here. Gear shifter here. You can tell it on the floor where it's at. Make sure it's in neutral. This here's the lever that runs the plunger. Get the baler really up and running. Hang on. Now we're in business, boys. Make sure the head is up, so we're gonna be driving down the road, which I'm sure is probably not legal. But we at least get to run it in third gear.